Get out of the car. Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax. Relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off. Get off of me. Oh, get off of me. Get my kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't do that. Get off of me. No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my kids. No.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245 Robin, happy verbal control.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
Good. 1549 Robertson.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping you is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended and you have a seize tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made a payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update it. But you didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse,
Okay.
I made payment.
Then when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in months.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light cameras.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction. The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information.
Okay. I'll be right back. Stay in the car, ma'am.
Yeah, but you're doing something. You're not telling me what to do.
I don't have to tell you right now. Have a seat in the car and I'll be right with you.
Okay, but you can't touch property without knowing.
Okay, well, that's incorrect.
That's very
So, have a seat in the car. I already told you, you have a seize tag order. Have a seat in the car and I'll be with you in just a minute.
Okay, but where's my license? I have to go pick up my kids.
Your license is being returned to the state of Florida as well. Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever
Okay,
I want. If I
ma'am.
can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's
shit
a
for me.
Supreme Court
I
ruling
need
that
you
says
to
you
back
need to
up.
get back in your car.
Supreme Court
Now
rule?
get back in
Let
your
me
car.
see it. Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best
I
thing.
can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself and
Well,
I have to go
I
get my kids.
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Why
I'm
didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her if any other problems. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is.
Okay,
I will
but
give
you
you all
can't
the court
impound my car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Until you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
You
take
owe
it to
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and
No,
drive
I
again.
went to the courthouse
Okay.
and she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there
Okay.
yesterday.
Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job. I can't help that. Ma'am, go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Okay. Ma'am, you're this close to going to jail. Okay. This close to jail. Have a seat by your car. Ron, don't let her go.
241 unit check.
Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get my kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't do that. Get off of me.
Go to the
No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my kids. No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing? Oh my God.
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, you can't take off on a traffic stop. Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick. I don't
County 249.
49.
Show at the black female 1015. And then resume normal.
249 is moving normal traffic with the 1015.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Be careful.
8 more units.
You take these handcuffs
Nope,
off.
you're going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going
now,
to the
now, and then
courthouse.
when you punched me, when you
I
punched me on the
punched
ground,
you?
yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not
Now
hit
it's battery,
you.
Leo.
That's a lie.
It's all on
I don't
video.
even know how to throw a punch.
Okay, it's all on video.
I don't know how to throw a punch.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
That's
it's all
a
on video.
lie. How can you lie?
You all right?
Are you?
Yep.
At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah.
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't run from the traffic stop. I was at the red light. The light turned green. You
Ma'am.
pulled over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
I got out the car.
Ma'am.
I took punches because I was at the courthouse.
Did you not just drive off?
Yesterday.
Did you not just drive off?
No,
Yeah,
yes, because I was
okay.
going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because
to
when the traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't have the right to leave. Well, I don't need to understand.
And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested?
Well, I don't know. That's between you and them. Well, unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
She lied.
Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done and we will head that way.
You're so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt my I go for my leg. And you say I punched you? I can't even throw a punch. I've never even like fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's a lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just one on a traffic stop, and she didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No,
and
I believe you.
then she decided to jump when her car was getting ready to get impounded. She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh?
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, you know, she wanted to fight and not go to jail.
I did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. How can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
Yeah.
For you.
Nobody got hurt. No one's...
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm hurt. I'm bleeding and my head is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
two
It's been a while, man.
If it's a DNR,
Nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on the tow truck and
everything.
I still got stuff to do. Yeah, you don't mind?
I'll take care of it. I'll get it worked on the way.
Alright, I'll move so you can pull up. Thanks for coming.
I've been here quick, but you canceled.
I know. I think I heard you. That was you, I think. Hey, you meet the new chief?
Not yet.
He's there. He's a good guy. You probably know him. You probably remember if you saw
My
him.
wife knows him.
Yeah. And his son works for OPD
Oh, yeah.
too. Yeah. Good guy.
Cool.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
I don't know why the lady at the courthouse didn't tell me the truth. Or I'm getting it doesn't make sense. I went there to figure out what's going on with my license. Because I do not want to go to jail. I do not want to get pulled over by you guys. It's a waste of time. So I don't understand why I went to the courthouse and she did not tell me everything. I don't understand that. Why would I go there if she's not going to tell me everything? And then you can say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? Why we go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me? Because she knew I would get in this predicament. Doesn't make any sense. I did my part. Went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my license. And she lied to me, so my car can get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids. And this is wasting my time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're going to tell somebody, oh, are you okay? What has happened to you? You gotta go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's gonna feed my kids? Who's gonna put my kids to bed? They're gonna wonder where their mother is. She went to pay her money to the courthouse when they want to go to Disney and I can't even take them because I have to work to pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're gonna throw me on the ground and then say throw a punch. So then what? If I get booked, how do I even get out? Like what the is this shit? Doesn't make any sense. You see 2 car seats in the back. What the does that mean? I didn't do nothing. No weapons. Nothing. So she threw a punch. She drove up. Yeah, to find out why the lady at the courthouse lied. I was just there and paid a lot of money that I don't